Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good to have you again. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple remedy for losing weight and belly fat. Here we are going to be making cucumber lemonade or cucumber water. It's still the same thing. So for this remedy I'm going to be using some very fresh cucumbers, lemons and ginger. Okay, the reason why I'm combining all these three ingredients together is because they are very effective. Ginger has anti-obesity effects. It keeps you fuller so you don't crave for food easily. Lemon helps to suppress appetite, so it helps you not to eat so much. Whereas for cucumber has a lot of water. It helps in hydration. It keeps you full for a longer time. So combining all these ingredients makes it very effective. Okay, I'm actually putting this up because a viewer by name Mafia Said requested for a simple remedy for belly fat, so I came up with this. So we are going to start making the cucumber lemonade right away. I'm just going to start by bringing the vegetable into salted water. I'm washing this in salted water because I'm not going to be peeling the skin of the cucumber. The nutrients is in the skin, so therefore I'm not going to be peeling this away. You can decide to peel your ginger or just leave it like this. I'm using very fresh ginger, so I don't think I'll be peeling this. Okay, after rinsing this, I'm just simply going to pat it dry. Then I'm going to use a knife to cut this into smaller circles. I like to take this into a dish. Now I'm going to be cutting a small pieces of ginger, just using just an inch. Okay, here is the ginger. I'm done chopping this. Now into the blender, I'm going to bring the cucumbers into it. I'll also combine the sliced ginger. I'll be adding in 5 cups of water to this. Okay, because I have a small blender, I'm going to be blending this in batches, so I'm going to add in 3 cups of water to this and blend first. I'm going to pulse this a few times until everything is smooth. Once I'm done, I'm going to empty this over a strainer. I'll quickly blend the remaining one. I'm just going to add just 1 cup of water to this and blend. I'm just going to empty everything into a fine strainer. I'm using a spoon to press the pulp. I'm going to discard the pulp. Our cucumber lemonade is ready, so I'm going to bring this into a pitcher. To this, I'm going to add in some ice crystals. Just add as much as you want. I'm going to be squeezing in 2 lemons. So instead of using lemon, you can use lime. It works well. So this is ready, but I'm just going to serve this way. I'm going to drop in some sliced cucumbers into this. This is the way I prefer to enjoy this. Okay, with few slices of lemon. I like to mix this up. Okay, this is quite refreshing. You can have 2 or more cups per day for a month to see results. So guys, your cucumber lemonade is ready. I would like to hear your responses after taking this. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked this video. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this simple weight loss recipe with your friends. Until next time, bye.